Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Mailbag. Today we're talking strap keepers, and I'm going to show you the best and most efficient ways you can use them on your Shimoda backpack. Basically, a strap keeper is just a piece of elastic webbing, or on the side panel we use binding to create a loop. We'll start with the elastic version. You can see here I have two different setups. First, we'll start with the load lifter straps. I have one all wrapped up and tidy, and I have one all loose. So I'm just gonna put the pack on and demonstrate. Now, basically, once you have your pack set up for your body, most people aren't going to need to continually put tension on the load lifters, but for the sake of this demonstration, we will. So we'll just find the black TPU end, pull that forward, and find where is most comfortable. And then once we take the pack off, we can either leave it as it is, or we can just roll the load lifter strap back on itself, pull the elastic webbing, and tuck the actual strap under the webbing. And that's just gonna keep it there in place, tidy, and out of the way. Another instance of a strap keeper is on the sternum strap. In my opinion, you're just gonna wanna leave this one as it is, because this is a strap I think you'll adjust with more frequency. We also have them on the lower webbing, which attaches the shoulder strap to the bottom of the bag. As you can see, it is right here. Now, I'll put this on again. When you have the pack on, and if you find this is hanging loose, just find the strap keeper, slide it down, and that will keep it nice and tidy. If you look at the side panel, we have the binding loops for strap keepers. If you're not securing anything down with these two compression straps, I would advise to just tuck them neatly through the loop like this. That way, again, they're nice and tidy and not dangling from the side of your pack. Now on the front of Action X, we don't have the elastic strap keeper. We do have these TPU sections, which allow you to divide the front panel into two areas, but also the TPU acts as a strap keeper itself. Now, Explore series is going to be the same as Action X, minus the front panel straps. And I'll just quickly show you the strap keepers on Urban Explorer. As you can see here, we have strap keepers both on the sternum strap and on the load lifters. It's basically the same concept as the Action X. In my opinion, in most cases, you're not going to have too much excess strap with the Urban Explorer series, just the way it's designed. But again, just fold it over and tuck it under the webbing, just like that. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope that gives you a few tips on how you can keep your bag looking nice and tidy, but also how you can keep your straps from dangling and getting in your way. We'll see you next time on the Mailbag. Take care.